interested in making this 30-minute high protein plant-based Me chickpea with lentils, then keep watching. I'm adding avocado and a teaspoon of butter with the red onions and sauteing the onions for a little bit before adding in the turmeric, Tabitha Sunshine seasoning, which is salt-free, paprika, and ginger powder to toast the seasonings and get the flavors. Then we're adding the minced garlic, mixing that in. And you don't want the garlic in too soon because you don't want it to burn and it has like that weird taste to it. But here we are adding the sun-dried tomatoes and a little bit of water. I did add adobo and black pepper. And this is 2 cans of chickpeas that I mixed in, washed and drained. I'm adding some onion powder and some garlic powder, dried rosemary, and dried oregano. And then I stir that up, and then I will be adding in the can of coconut milk. And then after I put in the green lentils, I did add in half a cup or about a cup of almond milk to it. And then after that, I was just adding in water here and there as it was cooking. When the water got low, I added a little water to it and then added the seasonings just to bring the flavors back up, since you know water dilutes the flavor. And then at the very end, if you need to add any salt to it, then you can do that. I have to iterate, you have to pre-rinse and actually halfway cook your lentils with boiling hot water set aside for your lentils before adding it into the dish, because if you put it in without it being at least partially cooked, then your lentils are gonna be crunchy, and nobody wants crunchy lentils. So definitely pre-soak your lentils before adding it into this dish. And lentils are very high in protein as well as chickpeas. It's really good for your health. And if you are vegan, vegetarian, or you just want a meal that doesn't have any meat in it, then this is definitely a good option for you. Here is the dish in its glory, and I added some homemade pickled onions. Here is the lentil and chickpea. I wouldn't 100% call it curry because I didn't have any curry, but this came out really good. I tasted a little bit off camera. Flavors is immaculate. I did top it with some pickled red onions that I prepared at home. If you guys want me to record the recipe of how to make it, I will. Just comment down below and we're gonna do a taste test. I did make some quinoa off camera. With the pickled onions is, yes, very good. But I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.